The 2023 presidential election stood out due to the incorporation of technology. Rather than delving into the numerous instances where the INEC chairman reiterated their commitment to employing technology for the election, I'll highlight the game changer: the introduction of BVAS. This innovation motivated a significant voter turnout because, in past elections, people hesitated to vote due to concerns about rigging and the futility of their votes. However, this time, people were genuinely convinced that their votes would count, resulting in massive crowds at INEC registration centers, even among adults who had never voted before. During the election, a significant deviation occurred as technology was abandoned, violating the electoral laws governing Nigerian elections. This action became the foundation for election disputes. Both presidential candidates, who are currently appealing the Court of Appeal's judgment at the Supreme Court, argued for the annulment of the presidential election due to the Electoral Commission's failure to upload polling unit results in real time as mandated by the law, which they believed substantially impacted the election's outcome. Now, let's examine instances where the Presidential Election Petition Tribunal judges misinterpreted the law. In their judgment, they claimed that the Electoral Act did not mandate the Electoral Commission to upload results in real time at polling units. They refused to acknowledge that INEC's manual and guidelines are secondary legislations derived from electoral laws, just as electoral laws derive their authority from the Constitution. Having dismissed these secondary legislations, they solely relied on the Electoral Act, arguing that it only mentioned the transmit and transfer of results as specified by the Electoral Commission. Despite referencing dictionary definitions of these terms, they contended that transmit meant physically taking results from polling units to the coalition center. However, the distinction between transmit and transfer is evident in the term broadcast. Transmitting is akin to broadcasting, while transferring involves sending instructions. The judges ignored critical provisions in the INEC manual, particularly paragraph 2.9.0, which explicitly explains the electronic transmission upload of election results and publishing to the INEC result viewing portal. This section addresses irregularities that occur between polling units and result collation points, emphasizing real-time publishing of polling unit results and electronic transmission as a commitment to transparency. The judges erroneously claimed that uploading presidential election results had no legal basis. Moreover, they overlooked statements made by INEC's witness, who affirmed that the iRev portal was the authentic storage portal for election results. INEC agreed with the petitioner's demand for iRev copies, as they are equivalent to physical copies. Nevertheless, the judges asserted that iRev was only for public viewing, disregarding the agreement between INEC, the petitioners, and the law's provisions. This disregard for evidence raises questions about the impartiality of the judgment. The judges incorrectly argued that there was no provision in the Electoral Act or INEC regulations and guidelines requiring result uploads at polling units. However, various sections of the law contradicted their assertion. The judges' misinterpretations and omissions in their judgment, such as citing irrelevant judicial precedents and misquoting the Constitution, suggest a departure from sound legal reasoning. The judgment's inconsistencies and contradictions raise concerns about the integrity of the judicial process. In conclusion, the 2023 presidential election's legal disputes highlight numerous issues with the interpretation and application of electoral laws, potentially undermining the trust in the electoral process and the justice system. If you are watching our video for the first time, I suggest you subscribe to our channel for more interesting and captivating information. Turn on the bell notification to get alert on all our recent posts so you won't miss out any. Share your thought in the comment section and share these videos with family, friends, and concerned Nigerians. Thanks for watching.